Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to simplify your bills? Setting up pre-authorized payments with RBC is quick and easy. Let me show you how. First of all, log into your RBC Online Banking on your computer or the RBC Mobile app on your phone. Tap on Payments and Transfers from the main menu to get started. Next, choose Manage Pre-Authorized Payments to set up a new automatic payment. Enter the details of the company you want to pay, like your phone bill, credit card. Make sure to have your account number handy. Set the amount you want to pay and the frequency, like monthly or weekly. You are in control. Double check your details and tap confirm to save. Your payments will now be automatic, no more missed bills. And that's it. Pre-authorized payments with RBC make managing bills stress-free. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.